My name is Nicole Jordan and I work at Systems Plus, and I've been with the company for almost 6 years now, and my position here is the afternoon supervisor. So I take care of assigning all of the work orders, going through, making sure everybody's doing their work properly, getting things assembled, making sure that at the end of the night everything's out to the dock so that the shippers can bring them over in the morning for the trucks. So I started on the floor. I was on the floor for about 2.5 years. Then I started running the methanol room. I've also ran the preserving room, and from there I was made into lead hand as a backup to the supervisor, the nighttime supervisor, and from there I've been supervisor now just over a year. Out of high school, I had the thought of being an airline stewardess, and it really wouldn't suit for a family lifestyle, which I really wanted to have. So after that, I really didn't have too much of a plan. I worked at Bell Expressview for 10 years. After that, I moved up to working with the vice president of the company, handling escalated calls. So those irate customers, I dealt with them. And from there, I went to the billing division of Bell Expressview, then ended up moving to the Middle East. I was there for 5 years and worked as a librarian's assistant. Came back, moved out here to Baden and started a variety of little jobs. Patience. I learned a lot of patience. Doing various jobs, working with different people. I love working with people, so you learn to respect them in order to gain their respect. You learn to compromise with them, deal with them, de-escalate situations. Some jobs can seem very mundane and you just seem like you're stuck in a rut. Here we try to switch it up for the people so that they can do different things. We're a very easygoing company, but we're fast-paced as well, because we have orders that we have to push out during our shift that is going to go out on a 6 a.m. truck or a 7 a.m. truck. So if you're coming into Systems Plus, as much as the job is an easier job to start off with, we still want you to be able to produce. So you'd have to be able to work on an individual basis, also work in a group setting. We need precision, we need speed. We teach you everything, show you how to read the work orders and double check. We're always open to questions. I would rather you come and ask me 10 questions than you not ask me anything and something is wrong. I think it's a good stepping stone for students to get that job experience. You get to work with different people, learn to work as a unit. We very much help each other out.